Hello, hello, hello. This is Jacqueline Price coming to you back again with another quick video. How I earned $6,000, no recruiting. I am an online marketer. I've worked from home since 2018 full time, and it's an amazing feeling to be able to work from home, to get up when you want to, go where you want to, when you want to, working from home. We are here today on my Facebook page. I want you guys to connect with me on Facebook, follow me. Um, I'm going to have my Facebook link down below. Also, um, please go ahead and like the video, share the video, comment down below because I'm going to show you how I earned $6,000, no recruiting. I'm going to show you guys. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to tell you how you can do the very same thing going into 2021. And so it's just going to be amazing, amazing. It's going to be a phenomenal year. We're already speaking that into the atmosphere. And it's just a great feeling to be able to work from home. And so, as you can see, we're here on my Facebook page, and this platform is also going to be able to teach you, because what it is you're going to be able to earn money while you learn how to do certain things that would make you more attractive on the internet. It's going to make you more attractive in your business. So as you can see, my Facebook cover. Oh, here's my beautiful daughter. It was her birthday yesterday. So, and then you can see right here, I have a featured banner. So that's very important. Whatever your business is, you want to make sure that you're branding yourself. So engagement. Let's talk about engagement. So here you see on her post here, it's gotten 393 reactions. And I think that post is like almost 24 hours old. So that's pretty good. Very, very good. And then this one was the day before. I got a 175. And let's go on down. And then here is a video I did, Facebook Live. I did 149 reactions. And then here, just to post branding myself, 143. And then on this one, it's a curiosity post about my business, 156. So VIP Access Club member, yes, 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 where I earned $6,025. Yes. And then here's a post I got. This one hit pretty good. Remove everyone that sees your growth as competition. That's weird energy. That was a good one. So that one brought in 391 reactions, 239 comments. So these are the things that you're going to learn with this business where I have earned this money. Basically, just following the training. The training is absolutely amazing. The training is like no other that I've seen before. A lot of times when we join businesses, we don't know exactly what to do. Everything is not written out. It's not black and white. It's just not. It's not easy. It's not like a 1, 2, 3. Do this, do this, do this, and you'll get these results. And so this particular business. Let's go to my. Let's go here now. See if I can find it here. Okay, right here. So this particular business is Successful Solution Method, and it's been around since about I'm gonna say May. I joined in the end of June, and it has been an amazing journey. I am still learning. I go back over the trainings to learn more, to pick up, more things that I didn't learn in the beginning. And so when you get started with me, my link is going to be down below. You're going to watch this quick start video. It's very important that you watch this video. This video is going to give you the steps, like 1, 2, 3 to go through in order to get started. And so you're going to go to my link, www.profitwithjackie and that's how you're going to get started, and you're going to choose your package. And so these are the packages here. So you're going to choose either a bronze. Bronze is where you learn how to get the traffic. You learn how to get traffic to your page, organic traffic to your page. Guys, if you do not have traffic coming to your page, if you don't have traffic going to your website, you do not have a business. You must have eyeballs on your page. You must have eyeballs on your business. If you don't have that, you don't have a business. And so because nobody knows what you're doing, so the bronze package exactly shows you how to do all that. It is $125. You'll also get webinar replays and training replays and all that in there. And then the silver package is $325, and you'll get the social influencer series. You get a custom digital postcard. You get an additional income opportunity. There's also silver training and replays inside of there. And then the gold package is $500. And the gold package gives you video marketing masterclass, because we know that videos sell because they're put out there and then you can always go back to them. The platinum package is $1,000. You get high converting email vault, a custom Facebook image ad, a 30-minute private coaching. And then the diamond package is attraction marketing formula, the done for you custom funnel, a done for you organic traffic setup, top level traffic package, and a 60-minute private coaching call. So this is what you get with this particular platform, and you're going to be able to earn money while you learn. Okay? And so it's absolutely amazing how this platform, she put this together, and it's just absolutely amazing because brand new people are learning and they're earning money. And so let's go for the proof. Proof trumps everything. So let's go to the back office of my affiliate so that you can see. Let's see. Let me see if it shows my name up here. Oh no, that's not it. Okay, where am I at? I was looking for it to log in. It's gonna log me in already. Okay, log in here. So it has my information here, and I was looking. So, okay, there it is. There my name is, Jacqueline Price, right there. And so here you can see I have earned $6,025, and I earned it all without recruiting. I did not have to get on the phone with anybody. I did not have to cold message anybody in their messenger. I did not have to bug my family and friends. All I had to do was click that link, and I got started. So I'm going to give you the link down below. It's www.profitwithjackie.com. Also, you're going to be able to, there's a link down there where you can see a webinar. There's also my Facebook page link down there. You can connect with me on Facebook. Text me if you need any kind of instructions, if you have questions. There's also a link for the tool that I use to get eyeballs on my traffic, to get traffic, to get eyeballs on my page, and to bring in more new people who are looking for an opportunity. You know what I'm saying? So when your page is set up properly and you're attracting the right people, then you can have nothing but success, guys. Okay? And I'm going to get off. This has been Jackie Price with another quick video showing you how I earned $6,000 without recruiting anyone. Okay? And I will see you on the next video.